Hello once again, welcome to example 1 on the Pythagoras theory that I started with you in the first video. In the first video, we started learning about Pythagoras theory and we've done a detailed explanation on it, and I hope you understood it and you enjoyed the lesson as well. So this is a continuation to solve an example on it with you so that you get a good understanding of it. Okay, so I will advise that you do want to watch the first video, okay, because the first video lays the foundation or the explanation that you need about the Pythagoras theory. I've done all those explanations in the first video. Okay, so please do all to watch the first video so that you get a good foundation to be able to handle this session as well. And please don't forget to like the videos and also share them after watching. And if you are watching for the first time, please do all to follow the page as well. Let's go ahead and solve the example 1 that I have on the board. So example 1, it says that we should find line PQ in the figure below. Okay, so this is the diagram, which is a right angle triangle. Okay, and we are being asked to find line PQ in this diagram. Okay, so this is the line PQ, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, and I've explained all this in the first video. Okay, that's why I'm encouraging you to do or to watch the first video. Okay, so the line PQ that you are being asked to find is the hypotenuse. Okay, and we have been given line PR to be 12 centimeters, okay, which is the opposite, and line RQ is 5 centimeters, which is the adjacent. Okay, and we have to find line PQ. Okay, so what we need to do is to put down the formula of the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we need to write the Pythagoras theorem formula down. Okay, that's the first thing to do. Anytime you have a question on a right angle triangle, okay, which demands the use of the Pythagoras theory, all that you need to do is to first write the formula down. Okay, the Pythagoras theory formula down. Okay, which says that the square of the hypotenuse should be equal to the sum of the square of the opposite and the adjacent. Okay, I've explained this a lot in the first video. Okay, so please do all to watch the first video, okay, so that you don't get confused here, because I'm just continuing, okay, by solving an example with you. Okay, so let's go ahead. So I'm going to put down the formula, okay, which says that the square of the hypotenuse should be equal to the sum of the square of the opposite and the adjacent. Okay, so I'm going to have my line PQ squared, okay, should be equal to line PR squared plus line RQ squared. Okay, RQ squared. Okay, I hope you understand and you agree with me. Okay, so what we need to do next is to just input the values that we have. Okay, we have been given a PR. Okay, so we are going to put it there, and we have also been given RQ. Okay, so we are going to just put the values there. Okay, so the line PQ, we don't know its value, that's what we are finding. Okay, so just repeat it. Okay, so I'm going to repeat my line PQ squared. Okay, don't forget to bring your square. Okay, so line PQ squared, okay, equals to, then the line PR squared, we know PR to be given. Okay, the PR is given to be 12 centimeters, so I'm going to write my 12 squared. Okay, so this is the PR, line PR is 12, and the square, you bring the square, then plus my line RQ squared. Okay, and the RQ has been given, the RQ is given to be 5 centimeters, so you bring your 5 there and you bring your square, which is here. Okay, let's go ahead and simplify further. So I'm going to repeat my line PQ square, which is here, equals to, now 12 square means 12 times 12. Okay, please, 12 square doesn't mean 12 times 2. No. Okay, students make those mistakes a lot. Okay, so 12 square means 12 times 12. It means 12 is multiplying itself 2 times. Okay, that's the meaning of 12 squared. It means 12 times 12. And 12 times 12 will give you 1 44, okay, plus 5 square also means 5 times 5, okay, which will give you 25, okay. Then now let's go ahead and simplify further. So I'm going to repeat my line PQ squared, okay, will be equal to 144 plus 25 is going to give you 169, okay. I hope you agree with me. Then now we need to get our line PQ, okay. For you to get line PQ, you need to take square root of both sides, okay, so that you can get rid of the power 2 here. Okay, so I'm going to take square root of line PQ squared equals to square root of 169. Okay, so that this power 2 here will cancel the square root sign away. Okay, so we are going to have our line PQ, okay, equals to square root of 169 is 13. Okay, so we are going to have 13 centimeters as our answer. Okay, you need to bring the unit. Okay, the unit is important, don't ignore the unit. Okay, so our line PQ is equal to 13 centimeters. Okay, so that's all that you need to do to find the line PQ. Okay, I hope the explanation was clear enough and you understood it as well. Please don't forget to like the video and also share the video. And if you are watching for the first time, please do well to follow the page as well. I'll see you again in another video whilst we solve more examples on this. Bye bye.